So right now I'm here inside my room here in Heroes Hotel in Manila, and I'm going to give you a quick tour kung ano ang makikita sa loob ng aking room. And on my next video, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung review ko ng buong hotel, including yung amenities, facilities, yung food, everything you need to know about Heroes Hotel. So tara, let's go for a quick room tour. Okay, so pagpasok mo sa room, unang mapapansin mo itong restroom and then itong cabinet, but later on natin ipapakita yan. So let me check first kung ano yung nasa loob. So ayan, ito yung bed ko. It's a queen size bed, so it can accommodate 2 adults. So we have here, okay, so a photo of Jessica Cox. It is the world's first licensed armless pilot. So karamihan ng mga makikita niyo sa mga wall room dito, mga heroes natin o yung mga kakaibang mga individual na may mga talento sa iba't ibang larangan. So ayan, on this side we have here a television, a flat screen TV, and then we have an air condition, and we have a telephone. So pag may kailangan kayo sa front desk, and then of course this is a working desk. And then on this side meron tayong balcony. So I don't know how to open this. Okay, there you go. So we have here a city view. Yan, so nice, very nice. A city view here in Manila. So we also have here a table and chair. So if you want to take a coffee in the afternoon or anything you want to do here. So super nice kasi may view ng city. So this is the room. And good thing, marami siyang mga charging outlets. Yan, so yan, ganyan. And then let's go now to the restroom. Okay, so this is the restroom. Yan. So particular ako sa mga restrooms, so good thing malinis siya. And then yan, we have here a hot and cold shower. They also have here already a shampoo with conditioner and bath gel. So they also have towels here, and here a dental kit. And dental kit, we have here a blower, say hi. Okay, we also have here a cabinet where you can put your bags, your luggage. Yan. And then we also have here a safety box, then hanger, and then we have here a large size mirror. So there you go. And also, by the way, they also have here a pitcher and glass, so I think you can refill your water, which is good. So it's good for the sustainability. So very nice. So yan, so my first impression here dito sa room, malinis siya. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, hindi siya ganun kaliit, sakto lang siya. Good for 2 adults talaga siya. Okay, so nabuko pala ito sa Klook, so for more than 2,000 pesos plus, including with the breakfast. So it can accommodate 2 adults. So sa next video ko, ipapakita ko yung buong hotel experience ko, including the room, the amenities, the restaurant, the food, everything you need to know about Heroes Hotel. So see you on my next video. Bye!